Melanie's Design is a full-service interior design firm that wants to highlight your outdoor living space for the summer. That's where you're hanging out anywhere. Sisters and co-founders Stephanie Brown and Melanie Arguello are here to show us how it's done. Y'all, good morning.
Good morning, Rosie.
Lovely to have you both here, and I love the sister power. I think it's so cool. Stephanie, we're going to start with you. Let's talk seating. You guys brought chairs into the studio today.
We brought you some chairs. So seating is your foundational element for your outdoor living space. Particularly, we love a neutral chair, but here we've highlighted some colorful cushions. So you might have chairs at home already that you're using that might have like a gray or like a worn white cushion. Swap those out. Swap them out for color and start your foundation with something colorful.
Now, I see this beautiful green that we're working with, and it does give a good layer because I can see pops of it, you know, showing up in other places. Do we go waterproof? Is that the thing?
It would be ideal to go waterproof because, you know, most of us are not so adept at getting out there before the rain hits to gather up all our cushions or to put the cover
with
on.
such a rainy summer that we've had.
Exactly.
My goodness. Okay,
Yes.
yeah, good idea there. And then layering with cushions, Melanie, you say this is your sweet spot. This is what you love.
Yes, let's get fun. Let's bring in that joy and let's play with color. So it's a really easy way to create your full palette for the vibe that we're going for the outdoor with just pillows. So like Stephanie was saying, take your chairs and add some color. And it's fun to do that by layering 2 pillows because it gives a little bit more dynamic with the look and the texture. And you can really start to create your full color palette by getting a really fun pillow that has multiple colors, and that can start your foundation.
I really like the pillow that you've brought in. I think it's a great example of, I wouldn't have necessarily chosen this because it doesn't necessarily say outdoors to me.
Sure.
What would you look for if you're picking out pillows?
I look for something that makes me smile or resonates with me, and I see that pillow and I think, oh my gosh, that makes me happy. Let's get fun. It's outdoors. It's seasonal. You can take it away later on. So if it feels like an indoor pillow, but you want to bring it outside, why not? Give it a try.
A really good point. Okay, we're gonna ground the space now, Stephanie. Let's talk about the rug that you guys have laid out.
I love outdoor rugs. I love indoor rugs, but I feel like what's missing in a lot of people's outdoor spaces or patios is the foundational. I mean, we talked about the chairs being foundational, but really grounding your space and adding that tactile element that makes it feel cozy and like we're living outdoors. So an outdoor rug is usually made from like PVC. You can hose it off, you can shake it off. It gets really dusty, really pollen-y in Austin. But this makes it feel tactile underfoot and really add some visual interest.
Okay, so let's say I'm talking about like a larger space where I've got a lot of furniture. What size rug am I heading for? Am I heading for something that's a little accenty, or do we go big rug to make the space look big?
It's a good question. I feel like one of the number one mistakes people make when decorating is that their rug is too small.
Okay.
So when in doubt, size up.
When in doubt,
always
size
go
up.
bigger.
Okay, I like that. Function meets style. Let's talk about the ottoman, Melanie.
Yes, we have a lovely little poof here for our ottoman. And it serves as something functional. It can be another opportunity for seating, or we have a tray with some drinkware on top. It also makes it feel cozy. So if 2 moms are sitting by the pool watching their kids, they want to relax a little bit, you have an ottoman to make it feel a little more comfortable. So
Kick your feet up.
Exactly. And you can bring in an additional color that way.
And speaking of additional color, this side table is to die for.
So cute. How can you pass it up? And it's just another way to add some color. And like Melanie said earlier, the outdoor space is really like a great foray into using color if maybe that's too risky for you in your indoor space. It's seasonal. You can pack it away later, try it out for a summer, and then do away with it if it wasn't for you. But it really brings so much life and so much joy to your outdoor living space.
Everything seems so cohesive. I mean, it's a bright yellow table, but when you guys put it next to all these little extra bits and pieces, everything seems to come together. So that's why you guys are good at what you do.
It's like vacation vibes.
Yeah, 100%. Okay, let's talk, Melanie, about ambiance. Lanterns. This is a really nice thing to do, especially as like the stars start to come out on a Texas evening. Lovely out there.
Yes, we're in summer, we're having longer days outside, or we're trying to enjoy a little cooler weather. Let's add some good ambiance. We typically see a lot of metals, black gold, silver lanterns. Let's jazz it up and bring in some color by blue ceramic, or get fun with different materials and textures. Take your candles, light them inside, and you'll be sure to have a nice, enjoyable time with your friends.
Okay, I see a lot of those Edison bulbs get hung,
Yes.
but what would you suggest with these lanterns? Can they be on the floor and we still enjoy them?
They can be on the floor. You can layer them next to a plant, next to a chair, off to the side, just to kind of scatter the lighting around. We love Edison bulbs. We love hanging lanterns. But this just brings the eye down to the ground and gives the space more of a glow.
I like that because it means I don't have to hang anything.
There you go. It's easier.
Okay. Entertaining essentials. Stephanie, to you.
Yeah, so we love, I mean, obviously we love color, but we chose these glasses in particular because when you're hosting, something that always comes up is like, whose glass is whose?
Yeah.
Which glass is mine? Where did I leave it? And if you buy a set in multicolor, you can have your glass assigned to you. These are acrylic, so they're break resistant outside. They're safe for the patio, safe for kids, and they're affordable.
Really smart idea. And just real quickly before we let you go, I know you're a plant lady. So the finishing touch is greenery.
Always greenery. And if you don't have a green thumb, or maybe gardening is not your thing, potted plants. And if they only last the summer season and then they expire, then you've done your job. But definitely create some dimension and some life with some greenery.
She's letting us off the hook. It only has to last for a couple of months. Guys, this was so wonderful. I wish we could be like this all the time in Studio 512. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Rosie.
for having us.
Of course. Learn more about this sister-led design firm at stlouisdesign.com.